Morning, welcome back to Greenhawk. Yesterday was a washout. We got absolutely drenched. We managed to just clear the site of a load of rubbish, and then when we were all completely soaked through to the bone, we decided to go home. So dropped the lads off at home, and me, Steve and Sean just sat down and just rattled through loads of quotes. So it's productive, but that's building industry for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button in the corner. You can follow us on Instagram. But yeah, so the plan today is, now the gas mains are all in and backfilled, we've got another little trench here just to do for the porch. Sean's going to get on with some block work. Stevie's getting on, he's going to knock that down, that front of that out. What else is there on the plan today? I think there's a bit of that wall coming out there. And so yes, roof gone. It's all gone now. So yeah, so that is, I believe, the plan. The digger's going to go off hire as of today. So like I say, we've had a bit of a square up on the site, so loads more blocks. We've got some concreting to do as well today, I think. Try and get that trench, when I get that sorted, filled back in. So yeah, so it is raining, but yeah, so it's one of those days in the construction industry. Yes, me, Steve and Kian are still wearing shorts, still holding out strong at the minute, because, you know, it's not cold, it's just wet. So, but yes, like I say, if you do enjoy the channels, don't forget to hit the subscribe, as I said, and give us a thumbs up if you do appreciate them. Thanks, catch up with you a bit. Well, that's the footings dug out now, so we're just starting to fill it in with a concrete mix. So what we're doing is basically 12 to 1, 12 shovels to half a bag on the ballast. So that's the old gas mains, what's left of it. Just like I say in the previous videos, we've had new gas mains and the electric mains, which is that one. So they're all gone now. So we're just filling that up. So we're going to be filling that up to the same level as these footings here. This really is probably over the top of what it is. It's just having two posts, like one there and one on that slab there. So it's probably a bit of overkill, because all it is just for there's 2 pillars going up in timber, so it's probably going to be some oak pillars going up. We don't know too much of the details about that at the minute, so the footings are probably a bit overkill. But the lads are just mixing all the concrete now. Oh, Sean, he's got some bicking.
Would you like one?
Oh, I'd love a bicking. Oh, bourbon speciality. Thanks.
Come on.
Come on, get tea on. Bit of dunking. Yeah, happy days. So, yeah, like I say, we'll get on with that now. Get that put in. Steve's just stripping all the plaster off, as you can see over there. We're going to take that wall out. We have to take the plaster off because we use grab hire. They don't like it mixed together, so we take all the plaster off, chuck that in the skip. It might seem like it's a bit more of a faff, but it actually saves us a lot of money doing it that way. Yeah, so I'm going to enjoy my biscuits, probably get a cup of tea on, and happy days. I shall set you up and watch the lads work. Right, that's all the footings in anyway, as you know. Steve's been taking that wall out, so that's all coming out. They're now just looking at how much of that existing wall, that one, is staying. I don't think it's a great deal. Yeah, we just had lunch, a fish and chips from the client. So yeah, thank you very much for that. Really do appreciate it. Feel very stuffed now. But yeah, weather is not good. Still raining. Sorry about that, my battery died. So Sean's been getting on with this so far. Like I say, we just had lunch. So Lewis now is tamping down, you see over there. So he's filling up in between the block work to give it more strength. I'll try and show you a bit that he hasn't done. So I don't know whether he's done all down here. So yeah, so he's done all this actually. Let's go and see if I can find that. You done all that, Lou? Not yet. It's good. So basically that's what it is. So it's all down there from the dig out. So you've got the two courses. So you fill up to this level here. So all that sort of makes it nice and strong. Yeah, we've had a good clear out as well. All the roof sections. So we've just got that left to get rid of. Hey, sharp sand. I think there's two bags left. I've used a lot on the gas, water and electric stuff. Used loads, so there's not much. So yeah, there's not much left now. So yeah, so we're going to be carrying on getting rid of the rest of that wall, having a look, see whether I think that wall needs to come down. I don't think there's going to be enough left of it for stability it now. Obviously it'll be fine once it's all done, but see, as it stands now, that's very wobbly, and obviously take any more out of that, it's going to fall, I think. But But yeah, so all good fun. So yeah, I'll set you up over there and we'll show you what we've been doing. Go for it, Lewis. One wheel. See, look, never doubted you. You had no faith in yourself, did you? You didn't believe in yourself, Lewis. We believe in you. You just need to believe in yourself. Didn't we, Sean? We believed in him that he could do it. Yeah. Youth of today, see, doubting themselves all the time. Yes. So what would... I'm a believer. So we've whacked the sun down, so we've got sand blinding over the top of the Type 1 MOT. This is going to be on Monday. We're going to obviously try and level it out a bit better than what it is. We just wanted to whack it down to make it so it's not so fluffy. Sean is getting on with the block work. Let's go over and see Sean. So drainage has come up a bit. Well, it needs to come up a little bit more. Shawnee, lovely shot of the bum there, Sean. Well, I thought you'd enjoy it. So the plan is that, there you go, Shawnee, look, full shot. So it's going to be, that drainage is going to come through that holio there. The lintel going over there, isn't there, Sean, for that? So there'll be a lintel, so these two lintels will be going over there. Let's just turn that off for a minute. Yeah, so those lintels will be going over the top of that, because you have to have a lintel going over the drain. So, like I say, the boys have filled in all the cavities up to that level. There, we've got through, I think it was 3 tons of ballast, I believe. Got rid of a load of rubbish, so that's all loaded up there, ready for grab hire. That wall is not very stable right now. So Steve, at the minute, he is smashing up these air vents. I think I've showed you on another video, but it was like an air vented system for the heating, which is these trenches here running through. So they run through and then into there and either side of the wall there. So let me go through and show you. So Steve's smashing up now. So they all come up through here that way, and I think where we're standing, there used to be, I assume, the boiler, because it all leads back to here, doesn't it, Steve? The ducting. Yeah. It all leads back into this bit. So we think eventually, because there used to be a cupboard here, so I think that's where the boiler would have been for that air system. I don't see many of those anymore. So yeah, so Steve's got to smash all those channels out, or well, he's on that anyway, Steve's draw, the short straw. So smash all those channels out because they've got to be filled with concrete. We're going to have the concrete on Wednesday, I believe. So we've got to insulate this and DPM it, all these bits and those bits there, and then we can concrete all of this ready to go then. So yeah, so that's what we've been up to so far. So like I say, if you like the videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Yeah, so I shall, it's not too far from the end of the day, so I'll see what else we can show you. Right, that's the end of the day. So it wasn't long since I last showed you this, but that's what they've done. So what they did in here, they put like an MDF liner, something like that. You can see some of that there. And then they tarred on the inside. I'm guessing it's to try and stop it from going rotten so much. So yeah, come through there and off down that way. Yeah, Sean's just got the rest of that wall up there. Put the lintels on. That's what I was saying to you earlier on. Putting those on there. So that's going to come through. And then the little lintels going on, because you're not allowed to build straight on top of the drains. So yeah, so that's pretty much it at the minute. End of the week as well, which is good. I'm knackered, except for I'm working tomorrow. So Steve and Sean, a different job. So yeah, I don't think there's anything changed in here. No, so we're all loaded out. Yeah, that was it, because I think next week we're going to carry on this block work here, and then all the way down that way we're going to replace it all with new. But yeah, so like I say, if you like the channel and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button in the corner, ring the bell, and you'll get notifications every time I put them up, which is around every other day. But yeah, so thanks, I shall see you later.